Hello my followers and channel watchers. Today I have got a small Christmas present for me, and this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. I have been thinking quite a while for updating my filming devices, and the microphone is one of that, so there will be my new stuff to make some videos. I hope I have made the right choice. So in this video let's unbox this device. I got it few hours ago and I haven't had any look closer to it, so this will be my first time. So yeah, this is creator combo, which I suppose is the best option, and here on the box is written what it is and what is in the box. So quickly read it out, and there are some parameters of this camera. I like that there is quite big sensor. I'm working a lot with drones and I think none of my drones have this, at least for my enterprise drone doesn't have such a big sensor, and for mini drone also. So probably this will take quite good videos and maybe also pictures if needed. So let's see what is inside. I don't have my little knife here, but first step has been done. So we are that far. So everything looks like this in the box, and everything is well packed in the carrying bag, I suppose. So let's see what we got else. Sticker, so package of stickers. Let's see if they are useful somewhere. Quick start guide, video editing app, light cut. Okay, this is something new for me. I have used DJI Mimo app before. Hopefully this will be better. And this is the safety guideline. So papers, and what is in this box? So the box is empty, and now this is the protective cover. Okay, this is good, and you can put some filters here, or this is like wide angle, and this is Black Pro mist probably it's filter. So good. This is for carrying it around with you, probably without the box. So let's get deeper. So this is the size in my hands. And here is everything that is inside. Let's start with the small things. Another Type-C cable. Quite a lot of them at home already. So this one is the strap for handle probably, and this is the thing for the microphone. And what else? Some small stuff. So this looks like wide angle lens. Let's put it in the place. So how? Okay, it's magnetic. Very nice. So let's get further. And this is the microphone. I don't have any experience with microphones, and this, yes, this is in the aux. So I will be similar to a lot of bloggers now with the DJI microphone. So what is this? This should be the additional battery which comes under the camera. Okay. So this is how it attaches. Some lights. Let's see what else is here. Okay. This is the tripod for the camera. This is good because my previous tripod has been sold. I sold my DJI Osmo. I didn't find it useful for me. So this is very good. And what is here? So this is something that I need to find out. So this is handle with okay. So this is handle with 1/4 inches thread. So probably this is something like just for mounting it to some stick or some some tripod, bigger tripod, or let's see, or maybe for this tripod, because okay, battery also has it, and yes, the camera doesn't have place to stick tripod, so this is attachment. And this is it. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, it is turning on. Let's do it in another video later on. So this is everything that it is in the box, and so you can see the size of the camera. Yeah, you have to keep it differently. I have used it to keep my phone like this, but this is going to be something new again for me. Okay, this is everything that is in the box. Let's try to place it in the right spot. Yeah, this is the right way. So this is everything that comes with the creator combo. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful, and wait for my next video where I will start and put everything together for the first time. Thank you and goodbye.